Looks like there's a protective film. A bit tricky to remove. Well, looks like it's really well made. Not sure if this is plastic or metal. Type-C cable. Another Type-C cable to USB cable. Very glad it's Type-C charging. Port shows the battery is still full. So let me turn off the light to test the flashlight feature. So pick the mode to select brightness and increase button. This is 40%, 2 hours runtime. Let's go to 100%. Runtime is 0.8 hours. I press mode button again, and I can adjust brightness, adjust color temperature, sorry. And this is 5600K. Works pretty well. Only 4 buttons, and the battery dropped 2 bars. Super bright. Very happy with the purchase. Looks great. It has a few mounting options. For example, we can clamp it with the selfie stick. Have it like this, or we may use the screws, a 1/4-inch screw, I guess, and have a mini tripod that can go like this. Basically, we have lots of possibilities of using this light, and we also have 2 holes for the stripes. So I just read the user's manual. Appears that we can use 5 volt, 9 volt, and 12 volt charging. It supports fast charging. Takes about 2 hours. Have not tested that yet. Yeah. This is aluminum case. Seems to be very durable and rigid. Also, this, most importantly, the LED lights do not flash when filming, unlike regular LED bulbs. So that's a must for this kind of light, I think. So that's it.